Hello and welcome to the Homework 1B screencast for DevOps. Here we're demonstrating provisioning a DigitalOcean droplet and an AWS instance using Vagrant. And we've done this by specifying several shell scripts within the config VM provision command in the Vagrant file. In addition to setting up our environment variables and installing dependencies, we also run two pre-written scripts. Both of these are written in Node.js, and as we can see, they create an EC2 instance and a DigitalOcean droplet successfully. This part of the screencast was based on code that was ultimately discarded. You can find it on the first attempt branch, but it just shows the running of an Ansible playbook that sets up a sample app on the remote virtual machines.